Today I'm going to show you how you can create super viral UGC advertisements using AI with just 2 clicks. This is groundbreaking tech. If you have an e-commerce shop, if you have a physical store, if you want to advertise products online, or if you're a marketer, this is a game changer. Today we're going to be talking about Topview's marketing video agent that allows you to turn a product into viral videos. The only thing you have to put is an image of the product you want to advertise, a reference video, which I'm going to show you exactly how to find a viral one, select the aspect ratio, and you're good to go. So, Topview will be down below in the description. They use Sora 2 to create these amazing UGC products you see on screen right now. These are so amazing, guys. So after you create your Topview account, you want to click Dashboard and click Viral Video Agent. Currently it's on beta mode and it's only going to get better from here on out. You don't need to edit, you don't need to search for viral videos because they have done it already for us. You can sort by category and you can find videos which you can use as a reference for your own style of videos. So for example, I will go to footwear and we can see here different creators showing products, and I'm going to go with this video here. Click recreate, it adds it as a reference video, and we got to find the shoe. So I'm going to search for shoe. Let's say that we find this shoe over here. So I'm going to save this image, copy, and we can just paste the link of the image. Super easy. So let's take this image here, click import. The agent automatically gets us the image. It failed to fetch the data from this website, so we're going to add it manually. So we can just download it, add it here as an image. Super simple. This is just a New Balance shoe. We can also add different perspectives of it, so you get it here from their website. Just make sure you give it a lot of different directions. So just make sure to add all of the directions of the shoe so the AI can understand exactly how the shoe looks like from different angles. So boom, we uploaded all of the images here and we're good to go. We hit apply and we have the reference video and the shoe. Generate an ad video for my product by replicating the content of the video I provide. So guys, this is super powerful because it's going to take this video as a reference, our images, and create a UGC advertisement that is actually similar. This is groundbreaking, guys. This is unprecedented technology. You no longer need creators, you no longer need anyone, you just need an image of your product in multiple angles, a UGC video which you can find inside Topview, and you are good to go. You can create an advertisement super viral for any of your products. The agent here requires us a confirmation. So New Balance 1000 men's sneakers is the product name. We select the product's users, the selling points, the targeted countries, the video script, and also the aspect ratio. We hit confirm and the agent starts the production of the material. This is purely AI driven. Everything from the video creation to the video search, to find the viral idea, all of it is AI. We just put the data in it and it does the work for us. We can actually see the agent working. It creates a plan. First summarizes the product, does a video brief, analyzes the reference video, designs the storyboard, generates the video, and boom, the task is complete. I'm going to let it run and jump to the result, but I'm also going to give you an estimate of how much it took to do all of this process. So when the agent comes up with the storyboard, it shows us the structure of what it's going to do, and we have to approve it. So we approve the storyboard and the agent begins the generation of the video. If you want to change anything, you can talk with the agent to make sure that you do the adjustments you need to. Okay, so the video from Topview is this. Let's check it out and then we're going to compare it with the original one. This is such an insane video, like you can see the shoe from every direction. Let's compare with the original one. So let's check them out. The left one is the original video and the right one is the video we generated with AI, specifically Sora 2 inside Topview. So let's run them together. We can see here it uses the same style to show the shoe from different directions, wearing the shoe, showing it up close, and boom, pretty amazing. I actually think the advertisement AI created is a lot better because it shows the shoe from different directions and it focuses more on the shoe rather than the person itself. And this is pretty incredible, I gotta say. Like, this is pretty amazing, especially given that it took such little time. And then if you want to further modify the video and do multiple takes, you can click I'd like to request some modifications, or you can finish the task by saying the video looks great. You can also download the video as we've shown through the download link or share it through the share link privately or publicly. Try Topview right now on the link down below in the description. It's such an amazing product powered by Sora 2, and in the future when new models come out, this is only going to get better. Thank you so much for watching.